Hello everyone. So this is going to be my grandmother's macaroni and cheese. So we're going to do 1 pound of elbow macaroni, 2 pounds of sharp cheddar cheese, 2 cans of diced tomatoes or 1 large can, 1 medium onion or large onion diced, depending on how much you like, garlic powder, Lowry's, 2 tablespoons of butter, and about 1/4 cup of milk. So I'm going to prep my stuff and I'll be back and we'll put it together. Boil your noodles till al dente. Sorry. Okay, here we go. I have my pasta, and I had to use that curly stuff because I couldn't find any elbow macaroni. So I've never used this for my mac and cheese before. But I'm putting half the cheese in, my butter. Oh my goodness. 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of milk, start adding my seasoned salt, and you have to use this in this because this is just what gives it the unique flavor. This is one of those dishes for me that is home. Some garlic powder. My mother used to use the garlic powder or the garlic salt and the seasoned salt, and I just told her it's too salty. Some pepper, not a lot. And if you're one of those who doesn't like black pepper in your macaroni and cheese, you can use white pepper. Stirred in. Cheese will be starting to melt in there. I hope this pasta comes out like my other, or I'll be so disappointed. Gonna add a can of tomatoes and just 1/4 of this can, because I think the big cans are just 16 ounces. And I'm going to add my onion. And just stir it up. Over my cheese, and you want to save just enough for the top. You will bake this covered, and then at the end uncover it. I will taste it because I'll know the seasoning's right. Tastes good to me. I do prefer the elbow macaroni. Use that. And what I do with this, don't overcook your noodles. And what I do is I put it in the refrigerator overnight, and then I cut it into individual servings and seal and meal it and put it in the freezer. it works great. Now obviously, being this doesn't have a roux and all that, this is not your like Swanson or Kraft creamy macaroni and cheese. This is grown-up macaroni and cheese, I think. Oops. Throwing cheese everywhere. I'm going to get, my mom used to do this in a big roasting pan, in those big roasters. This was one of the most requested dishes for her to bring to parties, barbecues, that sort of thing. So I'm going to get a pan. Oh, precious. Whew. In this pan, you'll get most of that cheese out of there. If you use a stainless steel pan, be prepared for that to stick. Just soak it in some water, it'll come right out. Get that down in there. So you use 2 pounds of cheese to 1 pound of pasta. I know that sounds like a lot, but this will feed a lot of people. And that's it. Put it in the oven at 350 until it's bubbly. You'll want to use a bigger dish than I am using so you can cover it up without, well, in my case, foil sticking, but if you have a roaster pan, you won't have to worry about that. You have a dome lid. So there you go. I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 and I will show it to you guys when it comes out. Well, there it is, you guys. My totally overflowed macaroni and cheese. So make sure you use a bigger pan than I did. I'm going to scoop some up. It is smoking hot. And I'm gonna make a mess. Just feel it. So there it is. Ooh. Your macaroni and cheese. I'm having it with the salad. So if you have any questions, post them down below. A thumbs up would be really cool. And I will see you next time. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, and yeah. Have a good night. See you next time.